Welcome to the CryptoNest. All right, so I'm going to do a quick review. Today I woke up late, so screw up my plan of making more videos. All right, let's start with Coinbase. We did the wave 1 and 2. Now we really push higher for the third wave. Is the fourth wave incoming? As you can see, adjust a little bit. Yeah, so if we do have a pullback, it should be into this area. And also, well, look at that, MA50 at the 0.382. I mean, perfect level would be for Coinbase to make a pullback at $277, and then we can look for this fifth wave. For the moment, cannot estimate the fifth wave level. When wave 1 and 3 will be completed, and wave 4, then we can estimate more what could be. Now, hot and mining. All right, so here, oh dear, I think I'm counting this still as the third wave and fourth wave still to come. And so I'm just going to move that around and update it, because I don't think this is the third wave and this was already the fourth. It's too short. I know this is micro counting, but I mean, a pullback has to be more than 1 week or two. So yeah, so I'm still expecting for this fourth wave. It's working very nicely for the moment. And this is what we need, because if Bitcoin ever make that bigger pullback, we need all the altcoins and miners to push much higher so that they can survive the leg down. All right, MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy also, yeah, last week I thought I mean, this was a viable third wave, reached the perfect level. I don't believe those two candles are the pullback, so I'm saying that we are still into this third wave, still waiting for this fourth wave. And then what a coincidence here as well, MA50 almost the same level as the 0.382, $335 for the MA50 and the 0.382 fib retracement. So that's a nice level. I think I will accumulate more here. And the reason is, if we ever go for the fifth wave at, let's say, let's say $400, and I do the fib retracement of this, no, all the fifth waves, allegedly up to 400. Well, I mean, for the wave 2, 336, yeah, I mean, for me, it's a good deal. All right, so I'm going to get some now. If we make another fifth wave, even better. Then after that, I'm going to watch for an A, B, C. If we get 336, 335, I'm a buyer. And if we go lower, even better. Is there anything else I wanted to add here? I don't think so. I think we're pretty good with that. All right, now I'm going to do Bitcoin. Wow, $102. Okay, so we did reach the next target. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, so we did reach the ideal target, honestly, the second ideal target, because I did wave 1 and 3. So 1 and 3, and to the wave 4, 0.618, you can see 102, 102. Wow, okay, 102, 102. And we are bang on there. Also, this is the extension wave A to wave B. So let's remember, more than 138, so under $315,000, it's going to pretty much invalidate this theory that this is the A, wait a minute, B. Okay, so this is the A, and this is the B in red, right? So let me put that in red, isn't it? Just so done, yes. Okay, so this is the A, and honestly, already it doesn't work already anymore. The reason is because we are having 5 waves, and yeah, the B wave, it's always 3 wave up. So now maybe I need to sit down more and check if there is a probability that I don't know, this is A, B, C for the A, this is the B and now we're doing the C. But you know, when we need to go and sit down and really make a surgical intervention to make it work, maybe it's just not working. And let's not forget, we did a bigger wave A, we did you know, an A, B, C for the wave B, and yeah, we did a wave C technically because the wave C reached a lower level than the wave A. Was it ideal? Not at all, because the 1-to-1 ratio was here, 84 to 100. Let's round it up a little bit. But we need to also face that reality that maybe, you know, this is done, or this was not the B wave, but actually we're doing it now. So let's, you know, so we have multiple scenarios here. None of them are bearish. Let me see if I can find it. B. Now this is a little bit too much, I think. Okay, so we are reaching exactly the 0.618, which is okay for a B wave, right? So this is the thing now. Is this just the B wave? Question. And we can go much higher, and we will never know. So this is the, so A, and then this would be A, B, and this is the C of the B wave. And then that does make perfect sense, because wave A is 3 waves, wave B and wave C it's 5 waves. So, you know, it's not clear. What's going to be more clear is the next pullback. We're going to do some micro counting, analyzing the structure, and see where, if it's going to do a sharp pullback or not, and where it's going to stop. So I already did a little bit of, I think it went up already a little bit higher. So these are the level. If this indeed is a wave 1 and this is a wave 2, it means we're making, I don't know, already working on this 5th wave, right? So if this is a wave 2, has to stop and react at these levels. If it doesn't, if it goes below 93,800, for me, it's a first hint that, you know, maybe we're making that final leg down. Definitely, if we're making a lower low from here, which was, I think, 91,500, then we're going to make another lower low. So officially, I will call that a C wave. All right, so this is for Bitcoin. Ethereum, well, Ethereum is pushing higher, very, very good. So let's see if we can get to the next level here, 3,870. We have Brett, that, okay, that was 1-2. I was saying more likely we're working on a third wave. We need to, you know, push a little bit higher, ideally 17 cents to have a viable third wave. Still working on that. Avalanche, also, we had a 1-2. Very nice reaction, 0.786. Now we need to push higher, which is doing now, but we really need to reach 48.25 to make it very viable. 51, I will not complain. Cardano ADA, well, is still on the side consolidation, so still ongoing. Could be, you know, still waiting for to make another deeper pullback, very possible. You know, up to $1, it's fine with me. Dot, well, Dot also, it did a 1-2 working on this third wave, but Dot has much more work to do to make it viable. $9.31, but you can do it. You got in a good path. Matic, honestly, Matic, I almost start to lose a little bit of trust or hope on this coin. But no, seriously, we have a 1, we have an A overshooting wave B, C for the wave 2, react to the 0.786, and now, sorry about that, still working on this allegedly third wave. You know, we need Matic or Paul to go, yeah, near 60 cents to make this third wave viable. Fetch, very nice reaction, go. 1.38, $1.73. That would be a very nice level, and I think it's reaching there, right? So that's very good. And Rune also looking good. I didn't do much charting on Rune, so as you can see, it just made a lower low recently. So let's see if we can actually move higher. I'm too shy to call this a 1-2. Maybe I should, but I'm not sure. Can I call this a third wave and this is a fourth? That's the problem. Now the other problem, I don't have time, but eventually I will take my time and analyze more in detail. Let me see just for, well, it looks not a bad though, right? So I'm going to put it here because, you know, I'm getting old and maybe I forget. So it's a 1, a 2, and I would call all this a 3, and then a 4 and a 5. Let me change the degrees. All right, so that's pretty much what I wanted to share with you guys. Let me go. I wanted to check Chronos. Atom, where are you? Atom. Okay, Atom looking good as well. So everybody is looking good. If everybody can make this third wave, would be amazing. Wow, Avalanche still pushing higher to 45. Go, go, go. So I mean, today it's very, very good. Where is Chronos? Okay, so we do have 5-way up, A, B, C. Yeah, so we did a lower low compared to the wave A. That would be like a little bit disappointing as Bitcoin if this indeed is the third wave. So it would have made a really, really shallow wave 2, which is kind of very, very bullish though. So go, go, go. I didn't do any estimation, did I? Yeah, that was just too early. I'm going to wait if he makes a new higher high here compared to this wave 1, then I feel more comfortable to call this a 2. But honestly, it's yeah, maybe. All right, let me put an alarm if we reach that level, then I can check it out. Making local high. Actually making new high, local high. Okay. Okay, so what else did I want to see here? I think Dodge also it's still into this correction mood, right? Let me go on the 4 hours. We can see a little bit better. I don't even have a chart, is it? It's really on time. I think I didn't do. Yeah, I thought I did. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so this is the third wave. Yeah, because this, I think I need to recount a little bit. I'm going to go do that because I'm counting this as a 5th wave. Micro counting, that would be just the 3rd wave, and then after we're gonna have a 4th and a 5th. I need to check if we didn't do any extension on these little things here. And also, was it an ABC? ABC. Yeah, because this is the thing. I was counting this as an ABC, but it's too shallow, honestly. And I prefer my count, and here it's too deep. And so I'm saying, I would say more that this is the ABC, and this is more likely the 3rd wave. I'm going to leave it for a moment like this, but more likely I'm going to change it because it would look better, and on the proportion also. So this 3rd wave, it would be a little bit disappointing, right? Even though if it's a diagonal, I need to sort out that. All right, so I'm running out of time. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Hopefully I can upload it on time before leaving, and have an amazing day. It's a very good morning of Monday. And yeah, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.